Hello guys, as you know, we'll use WhatsApp, but in some cases we may need to hide our WhatsApp message from third parties. As I said, if you have some special circumstances, I will show you how. Let's go. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open your WhatsApp app, click the settings menu from the options below, scroll down the screen and click privacy. Scroll the screen again and click the app lock and toggle on the Recue Face ID button. Yeah, and let's select the locking time from the open options menu. My advice is not to take any risk, pick immediately. I hope my video will be useful to you but will not negatively affect your relationships with anyone. To show your support, please hit that like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.